Hey guys, so this morning in the room we were looking at the triple Qs, and when we got this move up to 282.43, I played this for a reversal. We did that live in the room, 282.43 down to 281.92. And then just before we signed off, we said, we'll probably get a second opportunity for that move. And that, in fact, is what happened. That one came back down, dipped even below the profit objective that we had on that at 281.92. 3 came up, and like I said, don't go back to the well too many times, because on number 3, we got this push up into the top of the morning range. This gave us a resistance level from this morning that was at 282.91. So this resistance level was sitting here waiting. And you could have done this a number of ways. You could have inched up a little bit to the high of bar 1 and had a better containment of these prices. But no matter what you did, if you were looking for a short back down and sort of a replay of what happened first thing in the morning, that was a win, as price came down from 282.91 and booked a solid dollar and then took off down into what is now the low part of today's range, all the way down at 279.41. So the way that I'm looking at this one now really is in this bottom part of what's been happening over the course of the session. You can see here we've got volume by price thresholds that indicate that this is going to be something that's a little bit tougher to get through to the upside on. And you can also see on the 2 standard deviation volatility bands over here that we've got a vol band sitting right on this green pivot. Green pivot is right at the support and resistance line from a little bit earlier at 280.59. It's also a nice 382. So right there, short, 280.59. First target on this really is just down to 280.22, and that's based on these highs right here. So you see the highs bunched up like this and a volume by price threshold out on the side of the chart, then it's a pretty good indication that you might inflect there and take another turn to the upside. If it makes it down through, it'll be nice down to 279.83 for sure. That's where we've got a lot of lows clustered and also this significant volume of price action. So we are skiing Mammoth, as I said, so I'm going to be cutting out of here in about 45 minutes and won't really be trading much longer than that for the session. But what you're looking at is what I'm focused on. I hope this helps, and have a great day trading these triple Qs. Keep an eye on the RSI as well. Keep an eye on your lows and highs here. We didn't get up into the 70 area at all today before we reversed lower, so it's closer to about 60 is where you see these peaks, and that'll be your indication that you're about to potentially see a low from one of these significant inflections that we're expecting. All right, talk to you later.